Introduction to Syncing Quicken with Dropbox.
This Syncing Quicken with Dropbox allows you to manage your finances anywhere you have internet access. By connecting these tools, your Quicken data is stored in the cloud, making it accessible and backed up. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up Quicken with Dropbox, ensuring your information stays secure and up to date.
Preparing Quicken and Dropbox for syncing.
Begin by ensuring you have both Quicken and Dropbox installed on your computer. If you don't have Dropbox, download it from the official website and set up an account. Confirm that you're running the latest version of Quicken. This guarantees compatibility and a smoother syncing experience when connecting the two applications.
Setting up your Dropbox folder for Quicken files.
Within Dropbox, create a dedicated folder, for example, Quicken Data, to store your financial files. This keeps your data organized and easy to find. Locate your current Quicken file on your computer, usually ending with .qdf, and make note of its location. You will move this file to the new Dropbox folder in the next step.
Moving Quicken data files to Dropbox.
Before moving any files, copy or move your .qdf file and any related Quicken files to your new Dropbox folder. Open Quicken and use File, Open or Restore Existing File to navigate to the .qdf file now located in Dropbox. Open your file from this new location. Your data will now sync with the cloud as you make changes.
Using Quicken across multiple devices.
With your data file in Dropbox, you can access Quicken on another computer by installing both Quicken and Dropbox, then syncing your Dropbox account. Open the .qdf file from the shared Dropbox folder. Always ensure that Quicken is closed on all other devices before opening the file to prevent data conflicts.
Security and best practices.
Protect your financial data by using strong, unique passwords for Dropbox and Quicken. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Regularly back up your Quicken data to a separate location just in case. Avoid opening the same Quicken file on multiple devices at the same time to keep your records safe and intact.